In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji next to your Slack username. This is a fun and easy way to express yourself or communicate your current status to your colleagues. First things first, go ahead and open up Slack on your computer or your mobile device. If you're managing several Slack workspaces, make sure you've selected the correct one where you want to display the emoji. With Slack open, let's move on to accessing your profile, which is where this customization magic happens. Look towards the top left corner of Slack, where you'll notice your profile picture. Click on it, and it should give you a drop-down menu. You'll see an option labeled Profile. Click on Profile, and it will open a panel displaying your personal information and settings. With the profile panel up, we want to focus our attention on updating your status, because this is exactly where your emoji will appear. Find the Update Your Status button, which is generally located underneath your username. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're there, you'll find a blank space that says "What's your status?" It's essentially a text field where you can input any status message you like. However, for adding an emoji, you need to click on that space. Clicking it should bring up an emoji menu for you to browse through. Here comes the fun part. Selecting your emoji. You may need to scroll through or use the search feature to find the perfect emoji that captures your current mood, activity, or message. Feel free to get creative here. Once you've found the emoji that suits you, click on it to select it. Now that you've chosen your emoji, it's time to set your status officially. You're still looking at the status update window, right? Just below where you placed your emoji, you'll see an option to set status. Click on that button and your chosen emoji will now appear alongside your username for everyone in your workspace to see. It's a nice little touch that can make interactions more engaging and fun. To make your life even easier, Slack lets you choose how long you want your status to display. You'll notice an option called Remove Status After. Click on this and various timeframes will appear, from 30 minutes to a week or even custom options. Pick the time frame that works best for you, depending on whether this is a temporary update or something you'd like on display for a while. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button to lock in your choices. Once you hit Save, your emoji status is set, and you can return to your Slack communications. And that's it! You've successfully added an emoji to your Slack username. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy slacking!